Swapping out the fan right now, my KTM. Just wanted to show how I did it. I didn't even remove the lower part. Basically took off the lower hose to drain the fluid in, and then popped the radiator out, left the other hose on. So as you can see, it's still attached. And just angled it. Just be careful with the fins, don't bend them. But yeah, angle it, and then you can get the 3 10mm. There's one down here at the bottom, and then 2 at the top. So get the bottom one first, and then you can get easy access to the top one. But yeah, it's basically how I did it. The new fan's right there. I'm also gonna clean the front of the fins and wash out the radiator. I'm gonna clean it out because it has some gunk in it, so it's also a recommendation. This is the new one. Spins with resistance. This is the old one. Just spins freely. See how long it spins. And then this one stops immediately. So yeah, that's a good indication it's bad. Little trick here, if you're having trouble getting these top ones in, thread them lightly in, so like 1 or 2 threads on each side, and then slide the fan in as you put the bottom bolt in. Because if you notice these tabs in the back right here, they'll fall out. So they kept falling out on me, so I just did exactly what I said. I threaded them 1 thread each, slid the fan in. Made it a lot easier. Just rode up Mount Lemmon with Skylar. My temperature's good. So yeah, I think anybody who wants to use the stock fan, you'll be fine. You just gotta bleed the coolant right, and yeah, I haven't had any issues. So anybody having issues with the stock fan, I think it's because your fan's actually going out.